Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a few tips and tricks for how to be successful in English. The first thing I want to tell you is that if you're using the task or the to-do list, you're probably missing things. Let me show you why. So when you go over here to your to-do list, you see all of the assignments, but not everything is technically an assignment. So what you need to do instead is you need to go to all of your classes. We're going to use English as an example. You need to click on your class. You need to take a few seconds to look at the stream, right? But really what you need to do every Monday and really every day is go to classwork. Let me show you why. In English, what Mrs. Rice and I are doing every week, and I bet a lot of your other teachers are doing this too, is we're posting announcements and instructions. So if you click on announcements and instructions, you'll see a video where we give you instructions for all of your assignments for the week. And we also have it on a Google Doc. So if you're struggling keeping up in English, what you could do is you could print this out and use it as a to-do list so that you make sure that you complete every assignment. Notice though, it's not an assignment, it's just a material. Materials don't show up on your to-do list. So if you're just using your to-do list, you're actually missing out on a lot. The other thing that Mrs. Rice and I do is sometimes we post the short stories we're reading as a material. So for example, week 3, if you read the discussion that said you were supposed to have read A Long Walk to Water, but you don't remember reading it, it's because you didn't look in the classroom and you didn't read the instructions for the week where it said, read A Long Walk to Water. And that's okay. Everyone makes a mistake. And when we know better, we do better. So now you know that in English, what you want to do every Monday is you want to go to the classwork, you want to go to the week, and you want to find the weekly announcement. It's really important. The other thing you'll want to know is that if you come to an assignment you don't understand or something seems off, it might be off, okay? So we're trying new things just like you do. And so it's really helpful if something doesn't make sense that you email us or put a comment on the assignment so that we can figure out if it's something we did wrong. We really appreciate that. And we really appreciate how you guys have granted us grace as we go through this learning process as well. So remember, go to classwork every Monday, read the announcement, watch the announcement video, and that will really help you do well.